Do you want to make a stunning digital product online even if you're not a designer? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI to create your digital product. And of course, it's going to be stunning because you're going to be making use of this particular digital product and also make use of it if you don't want to sell it. Hi, I'm Vivi and welcome back to Earn with Vivi. In this channel, we share tips on how to make money online, of course, grow your YouTube page. Most especially if you're interested in making money with digital products, I think this channel is definitely for you. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button. Canva AI can actually help you create ebooks, social media templates, planners, and of course, digital stickers, including workbooks. It all depends on the kind of digital product that you want to create, and ask Canva AI to do this and it is going to like do it instantly for you. And one thing I always tell my subscribers and my followers and my friends here who are interested in digital products is, if you want to make money on digital products, you want to make money from selling digital products here online, just try as much as possible to browse on the best selling digital products at that moment. Not just the best selling digital products, the trending ones, the ones that are high in demand, so that when you make these digital products and promote them in your marketplace, you can start selling them immediately. I will always say you should always go for what your audience wants. For example, for social media managers, they are going for Instagram templates. So you see, you can actually create a digital product depending on the one that is high in demand. If you're going for Instagram template, it's actually for the social media managers. They are always there to get your templates. So what you need to do is come to this place where it says Canva AI. You come to Canva AI and it's going to take you to this interface. If you come to Canva AI, it's going to take you to this interface. So once it takes you to this interface, you're going to see, once it takes you to this interface, you're going to see design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, create a video clip. So, and always remember that when you see something that looks like a crown, it means that it is upgraded. Okay, it is upgraded actually. So you cannot get it if at all you haven't like upgrade to the what did they call it, to the high version of it. So you cannot download it, so you cannot make use of this particular upgraded part. So you can make use of the ones that are not yet the free plan. Okay, so what you need to do is create any particular one you have to create. So you see where it says, see what you can do with AI. You can do video, you can design, you can write blog, you can code, you can also create images that you want to create. Any kind of images that you want it to create for you, you can create it. Okay, so you come to this place and I'm going to quickly show you some kind of stuff for you to actually start up with. You come to this social media, depends on what design you want it to create for you. You come to social media, you are going to see format. If you want it to create Facebook cover, Facebook post, any kind of particular post, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter post, Pinterest pin, it is going to create it for you. So just give it a prompt, and it's going to generate it from you. It's going to generate it for you. So all you need to do is, then after it has actually generated it for you, then you can go ahead and download it. Okay, so once you download it, you can start selling it depending on the platform which you are selling from. Then you come to marketing. They're going to also see format here where you can create your business card, you can see flyer, you can see infographic, you can see poster. You can then create any kind of post you want to make depending on the niche you have fallen, or depending on what is actually trending that particular time. Okay, you come to presentation. You can create a presentation, you can actually create cards and invitation. You can come to this place and see the format. You can create a card, you can create an invitation, you can create a poster. So you just give it a prompt, and it's going to generate it for you. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to quickly go to logo. Okay, so let's just create a logo. So you have to give it a prompt to create any particular logo. So I'm going to be like creating a logo for my brand. Let me write create a nice logo for Vivi collection collections sports brand. So let's see what it is going to generate. If eventually it generates a logo for us, you can actually make this logo depending on the gig you have, or depending on what people actually gives you out. Okay, if people gives you logo to make, or you know a kind of people that wants a logo, actually they ask for it, you can actually come here and create a logo. So as you can see, this is Vivi's collection sports, this is Vivi's collection sports, and here is Vivi collection sports. So you can actually choose the one you want. Okay, so if I'm to choose for my brand, I'm going to look for a one that is going to resonate with my own kind of what I want and all that. So I'm going to be going with this. I think I love this. Okay, so I think I love this particular one. So for you to edit, you can also edit it in Canva, or you can edit it directly here, but I'm going to be using Canva. Like you can see, use Canva editor. So you go to Canva editor. So you go to Canva editor, and once it's taking you to this particular interface, you can change whatever thing that you want to change here, but I'm not changing anything. I'm just going to make this video a quick one so that you don't get tired. Okay, so you allow it to load. You can see, you can add text, you can do any other thing, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to like show you that you can actually do other stuff here. So you can adjust it, you can add filters. So I'm going to add filter, okay, depending on what I want it to look like. Seems my network is kind of disturbing, I don't know why. So I'm going to like choose any kind of, but I think I love that particular one. Oh yeah, this is also nice. This is the original. You come to cool, you can make it look more, depends on the one you want, it depends on the color you want it to be. So you can actually make it that way. See, okay, let me use this. So you can actually choose anyone that resonates with you, the color you like best, what you like best. I think I love this one. So I'm just going to click on download. Once you are done, you click on download, then you come to this place and download it. Okay, you can download it in PNG form. You can also click here too and click on share link. You can share this link, and actually people are going to come directly and get it. You can also share it depending on the, and your customer can actually go directly with your link and download it after creating it for your customer, right? Then you can also download it and place it as a form of some kind of gig in your website, or some kind of gig in any kind of platform that you know that want someone to create something that like this logo for them. You can actually make it an example for them, and once they see this and like it, and they'll be like, I want something like this, and actually you are going to be getting it. You are going to be getting paid for this, and you're going to be creating it for free with the help of Canva
That is how
AI.
to create your and that is how to create your digital product with Canva AI. It's very simple. It is beginner friendly. Please, if you did find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section, and please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, I've got a link in the description box where you can get your first free digital products you can actually make online, and of course a digital planner too is all free. Just feel free to download it, and don't forget to be part of this family if you did love digital products. See you in my next video.